around so the people behind can see, that would help a lot. Right, can you tell us what interview this is?
Well, this is a young black-footed penguin, and he's just about 7 weeks old now.
Right, 7-week-old black-footed penguin. Now, Amanda, why is he with you in this bowl instead of being in the pool with the grown-up penguins?
Well, unfortunately, some of the adult penguins don't actually look after their youngsters very well, so we do have to take them away and hand-rear them. And this is one of the ones that we've taken away, and when we hand-rear them, we can make sure that they get just the right vitamins and minerals in their diet, and that they're kept just at the right temperature. And it really is quite important that we try and breed up these animals, because these are another species which is getting quite rare in the wild these days.
When you hand-rear a penguin, I mean, in the case of this one, does this think that you are a penguin, or does it think it's an Amanda?
No, actually, what we do when we are rearing the penguins is it's quite difficult, but we really try not to pet them and play with them too much. We leave them alone, and we always try and get two at the same time. And in this way, they just look at us as food machines, really. They don't really think that they're a human being. And when they're a little bit older, when he loses these feathers, and when he gets his waterproof feathers, we then put them straight back into the main group, and he gets used to all the other penguins, and very, very quickly starts to get on with them, and then he's not bothered about us at all.
Is she dangerous to you?
Well, no, not at all. I'm afraid that Hollywood's got it totally wrong. Her venom is only about as strong as a bee sting. Now, it does happen though that she does have extremely large fangs. So if she bit me, which is very, very unlikely anyway, it would be quite painful because she's got large fangs, but her venom really wouldn't be dangerous at all.
There's nothing there, is there? He's expecting to find a small piece of mouse. And disappointment is part of everyone's life, isn't it? And he's now part of... Yes. Taito and Nikki. Right, well that's not it, but where's Charlie, Andy? Still over there somewhere. Right, well obviously this is Charlie. What kind of bird is he? A parrot, but what sort of parrot? A macaw, yeah, what a brainy lot, really. He's a macaw. Can you tell us what kind?
Yeah, Charlie is 2.5 years old, and if you look at his wings, you can see he's got these green feathers on his wings here, and that means he's a green-winged macaw.
Right, where would he come from in the wild?
These birds in the wild, they live in South America, in the rainforests high up in the top.
Very interesting feet for a start. 2 toes face forward, 2 toes face back, and it gives them a powerful grip. And to show you how powerful, we've got Charlie to walk along upside down. You see that he's using his beak to help him. That enormous beak that Andy mentioned is strong enough for him to hang just with his beak alone, and we're just trying to persuade him to do that at the moment. On day, Charlie not too keen to cooperate. Andy's using sunflower seeds to reward Charlie. And usually we can say, you know, Charlie will do anything for a sunflower seed, but today that's obviously not the case.
Come here. Come here. Right, yeah, let's try it. Come down.
These things are very easy for the birds to do. They're very acrobatic, and it's just getting them to do it when you want them to. That's all. Depends what mood they're in as well. Yes, we got a result there.